friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Samiksha and this video is a book review about the book which I recently finished reading, Layla by Colleen Hoover. So I started reading Colleen Hoover books with It Ends With Us, and I was so in love with her writing that I didn't stop. I almost read 6 books of Colleen Hoover, and of course I'm gonna review each and every book. So this I recently finished, so I'm gonna talk about this because this book is in my head, like just the story didn't leave my head. Gosh. So this story is about Leeds and Layla. Leeds is the main protagonist of the story. He is a part of one band and he is performing in one wedding, and Layla is just dancing in front of that band. That's how they met. So that's how the story starts. But the story is not continuous. Leeds is talking about present, and also he's talking about past, about his memories, how he fell in love with Layla, how their relationship was. But after some months, one incident happened with them, and that incident kind of changes everything. Like nothing was same between them after that. So for recovery, they again came into the place where they first met and they fell in love. In that place, Leeds meets Willow, a mysterious girl who doesn't know about her past, and in a mysterious way that really freaks me out. But if something like that ever happened to me, I might just ran away from that place. But Leeds doesn't. Of course, he's the main character, and if he ran away, how can story go on? So he got curious about Willow and start bonding with her. That what makes me angry. But after finishing the story, I can connect the dots. So this story was like a jigsaw puzzle for me. After each chapter or after 2-3 chapters, you will get one piece of that jigsaw puzzle, and of course each piece will come along with its twist. But the ending was literally I can say horrible, and I don't know what to say, but ending was superb, like superb. I enjoyed this book, and at one point, not in ending, at one point I was so scared of the book, so scared of everything. Like I read this book as an audiobook, and it was 3 a.m. like everyone was sleeping, and I got so scared. I stopped the book and I was so scared to get up to go for washroom. Like it was 3 a.m. and as people say, 3 a.m. is the devil's time, and if something like that if you are listening something like that, yeah, you will get scared. I did. Okay, so I will highly recommend you this book. Just dive into this book. It's not just romance, it's a thriller and with paranormal activities. Like you will really enjoy this book. So that's it for the day. If you enjoyed this video, hit a like, and if you like such content, hit subscribe button. Bye bye.